Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on optimizing the PS5 settings so it doesn't track and collect your data as much. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS5, move to the top and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, open Users and Accounts. From here, select Privacy, and then Data you provide. Choose Limited Data here. You can press triangle to read the About Device data documentation and what data exactly is being tracked. Now go back to Privacy Settings, and this time select Personalization. Here you can disable these settings to stop serving personalized recommendations based on your data. Finally, go back to the Privacy Settings again, and now select Voice Data Collection and turn it off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.